Protect your vehicle floors from adorable little paws and messy boots with our climate-proof paw print car floor mats. Built to last, these heavy-duty liners feature a paw print design with elevated rubber pegs and high ridges throughout. Engineered to protect the flooring from daily messes, unexpected spills, and innocent little muddy feet. The mats are climate-proof, waterproof, and easy to clean. Just remove the mats, rinse with water, and air dry. The universal design features built-in trim lines for easy cutting, allowing for a perfect fit every time. And the heavy nibbed backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them. Pet lovers rejoice! Your furry friend can go wherever you go with our adorable paw print climate-proof car floor mats.